Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about teeth. So I've been using this 100% natural teeth whitening powder from CocoShine. This is the one. Alright, like that. So I've been using, like I said, this for about 2 weeks now, and I've been really enjoying. I always try to use activated charcoal, and I've used others before, but like a paste. This one is a powder. I'm gonna show you guys now. I have to really be careful with this because it's very messy. That's the only downfall, being in a powder. But I feel like it works better than the ones that are like a gel or a toothpaste. Sorry, I'm having a little trouble opening this. Okay. So it's like this. If you guys can see. Ooh, I just dropped a lot of it on my counter. And it's not cute. But yeah, I hope you guys could see. It's a powder, a black powder. And this can get everywhere, and you need to be very careful. I'm gonna show you guys what happened here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but anyway. Okay, so going back to the review. So yeah, first of all, very messy, but I feel like it's more effective than other charcoal paste that I've used. This one is, I'm gonna read to you guys in the back a little bit. So it just says how to use it, and it says it's 100% natural, organic, activated coconut charcoal with a hint of natural peppermint, which I don't really taste the peppermint when I'm using. It just almost tastes like nothing to me. But it says in the directions to, I'm gonna even show you guys, sorry, it's all like black. It came with this little flyer. So it has the steps there, which is, alright guys, so I'm gonna add somewhere here on the screen me applying and using the product, and so hopefully you guys can see how I use it. It says step 1, wet your toothbrush with water, which this is the toothbrush that came with. It's also black, the bristles. So wet your toothbrush with water. Step 2, dip it into your teeth whitening powder. So then I wet it, and then I just go in and slowly press on it. Not too much, so I kind of tap once, and then I go in and I brush my teeth. I make sure that I'm wearing either black or a shirt that I don't care if it gets, you know, all over, or even without a shirt on before getting ready if I want to use it. It's just that it's messy. I want you guys to understand that, but again, you can kind of control it after, you know, you just go forward into the sink, and make sure you, when you spit also, you kind of spit slowly so it doesn't go everywhere, which you should be doing that even with a regular toothpaste, because when you spit, bacteria goes everywhere. But this is just my hygiene. I'm a dental hygienist also, so this is me talking too much a little bit about teeth. But yeah, and bacteria. But yeah, so step 3 says brush your teeth for 2 minutes and rinse. The 2 minutes is the standard. You should be brushing your teeth for 2 minutes. And then you just rinse. I like to rinse not with extremely cold water or hot water, just in between. I think it's perfect. Step 4, show your bright white smile. And step 5, it's saying to go to their page, Pamper Me Coco, hashtag. So it's super cute, this little card they send, and it says, babe, our night just got a whole lot brighter. Just super cute. And then also they had, I can share with you guys on the bar down below, it's their 20% off discount, and it says there on the bottom. You guys can use that. Now I'm gonna zoom into my teeth, and I don't know if you guys can see. I had this little white spot here. It's from when I was a child. It's kind of like a stain from a material that they used in Brazil a long time ago, which I'm not sure what it was, but it does change color when I whiten my teeth, which usually composite, which is the white filling. Usually they don't change color when you whiten your teeth, it stays the same, but this material for some reason it does. So I can tell if a product, sorry, let me unzoom. So I can tell if a product is really working on my teeth, whitening my teeth, if that spot kind of changes. So this did, because it was just like my teeth shade before, and now it's a little whiter. I don't know if you guys can tell right there. So I feel like it did, sorry. So I feel like it did get my teeth white in just almost 2 weeks now. I will be using for a longer period of time, and maybe I'll post on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow, because I always try to post pictures before and after, or things that I've been getting from companies that I've been enjoying, so you guys know. Not always I make videos. It's just at Camila Huta. I'll link below to my information, and at the end of the video too, I'll link somewhere on the screen. But yeah, guys, I've been really enjoying this powder. I would give about a 9 out of 10 just because it's so messy, but again, it's a powder, you know, but it does work better for me. So it's just about the mess that I give a 9, but overall I really enjoy it and I would recommend. So yeah, this is all I gotta say about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you guys like this video, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.